Hey everyone, welcome back to Limpiar Cleaning Services. Today, we've got an important topic to discuss: window cleaning mistakes that you should avoid at all costs. Trust me, these tips will help elevate your window cleaning game. Before we jump into the do's and don'ts, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our cleaning tips and tricks. Let's get started. Mistake number 1: using the wrong equipment. While cleaning windows may seem simple, using improper tools can lead to subpar results and even damage. So, let's focus on getting the right equipment. Make sure you have all the necessary tools like a good quality squeegee, a bucket, some non-abrasive cleaner, and a microfiber cloth. These essentials will make your window cleaning experience hassle-free and effective. Mistake number 2: neglecting to prepare your windows. If you skip this step, you're risking streaks, smudges, and an overall lackluster appearance. Trust me, proper preparation is key. Before you start cleaning, make sure to clear off any dust, dirt, or loose debris from the window. This will prevent streaks and ensure that your effort pays off with spotless and beautiful windows. Mistake number 3: using incorrect cleaning techniques. It's all about the right moves and strokes when cleaning your windows. So, pay close attention to these pro tips. Remember, always start from the top and work your way down, using horizontal strokes with the squeegee. And don't forget to blot the edges with a microfiber cloth to catch any remaining water or cleaning solution. Mistake number 4: not seeking professional help when needed. While DIY cleaning can be rewarding, some situations call for professional expertise. If you have hard-to-reach windows, a large building, or an extensive glass surface, it's best to seek professional window cleaning services. They have the right equipment, experience, and safety measures to tackle your windows with precision. And that's a wrap on our video about avoiding window cleaning mistakes at all costs. Remember to follow these tips for pristine, streak-free windows every time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more cleaning tips from Limpiar Cleaning Services. Until next time.